We will sandwich the roto hatch layers together. The top layer is the hatch layer and it's set with a multiply blend mode. The middle layer is the rotoscoped footage and it's set with a darken blend mode. This layer contains the colorama and cartoon effects. The lighting can be controlled by changing the steps. If additional details are needed, you can set the mode to fill and edges. This layer's transparency is set to 65. The bottom layer is a copy of the top layer with blend mode set to normal. Export as a completed ping sequence.